What's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with more tech and more reviews. And this time we're going to be focusing on that monitor that you see right back there behind me. That's the BenQ EW3280, and we're about to talk about this thing right now.
For all time's sake.
If you're actually in the mood for a new monitor, look no further. BenQ has actually put this one together at a pretty decent price for all the features that it has in it. This monitor, first off, is the EW3280U. That's the actual model number. It's one of the best monitors that I've ran across as of yet, just because it has everything and every feature that I have been looking for. It has DisplayPort, it has HDMI, it has USB Type-C connectivity. Let's jump right into an actual look at this monitor. Now, when you're taking it out of the box, you're gonna get the standard instructions, you're gonna get the remote control that comes with it, you're gonna get the base stand, you're gonna get the actual monitor itself. Actually setting this up is really easy, really simple. Now, I do have gloves on because I don't want to put any fingerprints on this screen, but the screen is a 32-inch 4K ultra high def screen. Has HDR built into it, has HDRI built into it, which is actually going to convert the different levels of light depending on what's going on in your room. And it actually has separate settings for your HDR modes. No matter what you're feeling like, what you're looking like for the day, what you're playing as far as gaming or watching a movie, or if you want it in standard or even user mode, it's going to be great for just about everyone. Now, the price on this is going to be around $799. I don't think that's too bad because you're getting a full 4K monitor. You're getting speakers on this thing, and let me let you know, the speakers sound really good on this device. More reviews. This time, we're going to be looking at the Logitech MX Master 3 and seeing if this thing is going to be a good fit for you and your iPad Pro. So let's check it out.
For all time's sake.
Okay. So as we can see, the actual sound coming from this is great. You have speakers facing in the front, and you actually have a speaker on the back, which is going to give you great sound no matter what you're doing, whether you're gaming, computing, or just watching movies. Speaking of watching movies, you're going to get that full 4K resolution when you are watching movies on this thing. And when you're playing video games, you get a great resolution on this device. I can't stress how much I love using this. Whether I'm just sitting around, just typing, making up documents, actually doing real work, or whether I'm immersed into a game, watching a movie, watching a TV show, watching Netflix. No matter what I do on this device, it looks really, really good. Okay, so now that we've actually gotten the price and everything out of the way, you see how beautiful this screen actually looks. This is my MacBook Pro. I got it hooked up to a Thunderbolt 3 dock. Now, this Thunderbolt 3 dock is by the company Pluggable. I'll be doing a review on that very shortly, just showing you guys. But this is the actual remote. Now, we want to check out the user interface and see if this thing is actually friendly and easy to use. So if you look at your remote, you have a power button here, your input button is here, your controller wheel is here, HDRI button right here. You have a menu button here, you have your volume up and down, all that right there, color, temperature, all these buttons are right here on the front. Now let's press your HDRI, and there we go. So you can scroll through these different modes. It starts out in a cinema mode, then you can go to a game mode, display HDR, and you can actually turn it off. So just whichever one you like the best. I like to stay in display. And once you click that, there you go. That's the mode that you're gonna get. Now let's click on our menu button and go into the actual menu and scroll down to picture, color, and there we go. So you have separate color modes that you can use. Now you cannot use your HDR mode as well as your color mode at the same time. You'll have to scroll over to the color mode and choose your color in there. Now, out of all these colors, this one right here is the best to me. It makes it look brighter, makes it look more vivid. This is one of the best modes to have your monitor in my say so. Now, looking a little bit further in the eye care, you actually have different levels of eye care. You can turn these on and off. You have sensor sensitivity. Try saying that 3 times fast. And then you actually have your eye reminder, which you can change that. You have timers on it right there. and then go back over here, low blue light. Now, this is what I really appreciated about this, because it comes with its own e-paper mode. So if you want to just have e-paper on that screen, you can do that if you wanted to. You have a reading mode, you have an office mode, you have a mode specifically for web surfing, and you can tweak all of this however you would like and use it to your advantage. Whatever you want to do, and I mainly keep mine on multimedia because that's what this is going to be used for, but whatever you want to do, feel free to do it. If you're looking at your volume, it goes all the way up to 50%. So 50% is really your 100%. That's as far as it goes. 50 is as far as it goes, and you have heard that screen and you know how that sounds. And see, all these buttons here are very convenient. When you press something on that, it pops up on the screen right there. You get your cinema, and this is for your audio. You get your dialogue, gaming, you get different sounds for different types of things that you're going to be doing. So if you're playing video games, have it on gaming. If you're just listening to music, have it on dialogue and vocal. Whatever you want to do, you can customize this device however you would like and make it beneficial to your exact needs. And with actual direct USB Type-C connectivity, you can take full advantage of Samsung DeX using either of your Samsung device phones that is capable, such as your Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus or your Note 10 Plus. So if you're in the market for a new monitor, whether it be for gaming, whether it be for computing, whether it be for just reading on occasion and just browsing the web, this thing is going to be the monitor for you. Now, I will admit it's going to cost you a little bit of money up front, $799. That's going to be the price tag on this one, but you're getting a 4K resolution, you're getting HDR, you're getting speakers built into this monitor, you're getting tons of settings where you can customize this thing and have it to your benefit and exactly how you want it. So I think it's a really great deal, and I think it's one that you should be keeping your eye on. So I'll be sure and drop a link below so you can check this thing out for yourself. Hopefully this has been able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me a big thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.